students, today we will learn about the highest common factor, which is the HCF. Now, first let us understand what is the HCF. Page number 66. You can check in the book, page number 66. Now, the HCF of two numbers is the greatest number that divides both the numbers exactly or without leaving any remainder. So if you understand the meaning of this definition, it means that for given two numbers, there has to be one such number, and that numbers, when divide both the number, there should be no remainder, and that number is the highest common factor. So to find a common factors, we have three methods. Let's start all the three methods first. Now, number one, by listing all the factors. Number two, by prime factorization, and number three, by division method. So today we learn about the two methods by listing all the factors. Now let's start. You can open the book, page number 66, exercise 4C. Question number 1. First, find the common factors of these numbers, then mark their HCF. Now let's start the number 1. Exercise 4C, number 1A. The question is that given two number is 9 and 15. Now we can find the common factors and the highest common factors by using all these three methods. Let's start with the number 1. It's very easy. So what you are going to do is that, let's take this number 1, and we have to find all the factors of number 9. So factors of 9. So how do you find the factors of 9? So you will find the factors of 9 by using the table. You need to see that is this number 9 exists in the table. Let's start with the 9 is there in the table 1. So 9 times 1, 9, and 9 is not there in the table 2. So 9 is there in the table of 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. Again 9 is there in the table of 9 itself. 9 times 1 is 9. So we have three factors, 1, 3 and 9 for the given numbers 9. So in the same manner, we'll find the factors of the second given number 15. Factor of 15. So 15 is present in the table of 1. 1 times 15 is 15, right? So 1. Again 15 is not there in the table of 2, but it's there in the table of 3. So 3 times 5 is 15. So 3 is there in the table of 15 is there in the table of 3, and again 15 is there in the table of 5. 5 times 3 is 15, right? And then 15 is there in the table of 15 itself, right? 15 times 1, 15. So these are the factors of these two given numbers. Now let's find the common one. So we see here 1 and 1 is common, number 1 here, and then the 3 is common here, but the rest of the two number is not common. So common factor of 9 and 15 is, we have 1 and 3. This is the common factor. Now, the highest common factor means among all this factor, which is the highest common. So 1 and 3 is a common, and among between 3 and 1 is a greater number, right? So the 8, therefore, HCF, highest common factor of 9 and 15 is 3. Now, we have solved the number 1 questions by using the method, by listing all the factors. Now, let's do the same by using the another method, by the prime factorization method. So, let's continue by using the prime factorization method. So, what we'll do? We'll take the first number 9, and then we will use a table of 3. 3 itself is a prime number, so we'll use a prime number to find its factor of number 9, right? 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 is there in the table itself of 3. So 3, 3, 1. So we cannot divide the number further. So factors of 9 1, 3 and 3. Now, in the same way, we'll find the factor of 15. So, factor of 15, let's say 15. So, 15 is there in the number of, in the table of 3. 3 is a prime number. So, 3, 5 times 15. Again, 5 is a prime number, 1 times 5. So we cannot divide the number further. So factor of 15 is 1, 3 and 5. So 1, 3 and 5. Now we have finished finding the factor. Now we will find the common factor. So we see in the number of 9 and 15, between this we have a common number which is 1, and then another common number which is 3. So now we'll list this number. Common factor of 9 and 15 is, common factor of 9 is 1, 9 and 15 is 1 and 3. Now, the HCF, therefore, HCF of 9 and 15 equal to 3 is the highest common factor, right? So, it's 3. Now, we can find the highest common factor of 9 and 15 by using these two methods, either by listing all the factors or by finding the prime factors by using a prime number. Now, the number 1 has been done for you for exercise 4C. The rest of the number B, C and E, you can find it out by yourself. So, let's try one more number. Let's do number B. And C, D and E you tried at home. Now we have already solved the number 1 questions, and let's see whether this definition has been justified or not. So we got the answer, the HCF of 9 and 15 as 3, the highest common factor, right? HCF equal to 3 for both 9 and 15. Now let's come back to the definition. What is this definition? What it says? The HCF of two numbers is the greatest number. So the greatest number, the prime number which we have got is 3. So that divides both the number, means this number has to divide both this number 9 and 15. And the number should be divided exactly or without leaving any remainder. That's the highest common factor. Let's see now. We have 9 and we have the factor here which is a prime number 3. Let's divide it and let's see. 3 times 3 is 9, no remainder. Justified. Same thing, 15. Let's divide it with the HCF, the number which we have got is 3. 5 times 15, no remainder. So the definition is justified. Now let's continue. Questions number 3. Let me read it out. These numbers have already been factorized for you. Find the HCF of the given pairs. Now let's solve number 1 questions. Let me write it down. Question number 3A. Now for these questions you don't have to find out the factors. The factors are already given in the above questions. So you just need to select the factors, take the factors and solve it. Now 20 and 40 is the two given number. And the factors of 20 are already given in the question. So factors of 20. So 2 into 2 into 5 is the factor of 20, and then the factor of 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now the common factor of 20 and 40 is here. 2 and 2 common here, 2 and 2 common, 5 and 5 here common. So 2 common we have taken, 2 common we have taken, and then 5 common we have taken. So 2 times 2, 4 into 5, which is 20. Now the HCF of 20 and 40 is 20. This is the common factor and this is the highest common factor. Now number 3A has been done for you. Now the rest of the number you practice at home. Let's continue with the question number 4. Now let's come back to question number 4. Question number 4A. Let me read the question for you. Find the HCF of these numbers using the prime factorization method. Very simple, we have done in the number 1. So we'll repeat the same here. Question number A, 4A is 6 and 10 is the given number. 6 and 10. Now, first, what is the first step? We have to find the prime factors of 6. So, this is the method to find out the prime factors. 2 is a prime number. 2 times 3, 6. 6 is in the table of 2. Again 3 is in the table of 3 itself. So we get the first 3 factors of number 6. So factors of 6 is 1, 2 and 3. Now in the same way, let's find the factor of 10, prime factor by the prime number. Again prime number 2, 5 times 10, and 5 itself in the table of 5, 5 times 1, 5. So we cannot divide further, so we'll stop here. Now, the factors of 10, the prime factor of 10 is 1, we have 2, we have, and then we have 5. So, this is the second. The third step is you have to find out the common factor among all these factors. So 1 and 1 is common between these two numbers, and 2 and 2 is common, 5 and 3 is not common. So the common factor, C stands for common. Common factors of 6 and 10 is, we have 1, we have 2. And then the highest common factor, therefore the highest common factor of 6 and 10 is 2. As you can see, 2 is the greatest number between these two common numbers. So 2 is the highest common factor. Now, one has been done for you. So the rest are very easy. You practice at home.
Stay home, stay safe.
Do it for self.
Do it for your family. Do it for India.
Let's break the chain of COVID-19.
हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद। हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद।
हम होंगे कामयाब। जय हिंद।